everyone, this is Jen from the Nocatee Welcome Center. I am here for Walkthrough Wednesday down in the Crosswinds neighborhood. That is located on the south end of Crosswater Parkway. And I've got Tiki from David Weekley Homes here with me. Hey Tiki.
Hi there.
So why don't you tell us all about the home that we're going to take a look at today?
Well, I'm happy that you guys are here with us today. I want to introduce to you our newest floor plan and model home here in Crosswinds, and it's called the Swindell.
Awesome, I can't wait to see this.
So welcome in, everyone. As you notice, there's a few things that I'd like to share with you. Once you walk through this door, you can feel all of the natural light. You know, David Weekley builds with lots of windows, so our homes tend to feel bright and airy.
It is, and this is a great size foyer right here.
It's a really good size, yeah.
So now, Tiki, this is obviously a model home. So what would this space be normally?
So this is a front-facing garage home, and so here there would be a solid wall,
okay,
and you'd park your cars here. You'll enter the home through a doorway on this wall area, and now you're in the house.
Awesome. This is a nice open floor plan, I can tell already. And then, so this obviously would be an office space, which, is there some versatility to the use of this room here?
There is, Jen. This is such a great and versatile floor plan. It actually is a two-story home with the primary bedroom on the main level. It has the opportunity to be built with as many as 3 bedrooms and up to 5 bedrooms.
So this potentially maybe could be a bedroom, this space.
Absolutely. As you see it here, it's an open study that leads you to a powder room.
Oh, wow.
Now, when this is a bedroom, you'd now have a full bath in lieu of the powder room.
That's awesome. And I just want to point out to Carly, who's behind the camera here, this is a linen closet, which is amazing to have. That's awesome.
Now, David Weekley also builds, we know that our buyers love storage, so we build our homes with lots of closet spaces for you to store your gadgets and things.
And Carly, over here to the left, let's take a look at what's down here, Tiki. So the laundry room.
So you've got a nice, spacious, and functional laundry room right on the main level where the owner's retreat is, so it's easy to do laundry.
That's awesome, and I love that counter there to be able to fold your clothes. And Carly, we have to point out the storage space, Carly. Look at this, a front closet. I love that. It's great for your vacuum, your brooms, not that we have a ton of coats here all the time in Florida, but just to stick your purse in there or something. Great.
You need something, right?
Yeah, you definitely do. Backpacks for kids, awesome space there. And of course now showstopper, the beautiful kitchen here.
So as you walk past this open stairway that leads to the upstairs, you can't help but to stop and marvel at this chef-style kitchen. Now, this kitchen has a corner pantry that is quite large. There's lots of shelving.
A walk-in pantry?
An actual walk-in pantry, yes.
And I have to say, your designers do an absolutely beautiful job.
Yeah, they're amazing. Our design team are 4 beautiful ladies in Nocatee, and they're the ones who design our model homes and also our quick move-ins that we have prepared for you buyers.
Wow.
So you're getting free design help and coordination on your gorgeous homes that come out looking just like or even better than the model.
This is absolutely beautiful. And Carly, I know it's really hard to pick this stuff on camera, but the space between where your cooktop is and your sink, you could have multiple people cooking in this kitchen.
Yeah.
So that's really nice, because so many times you see it and it's too close and too tight. You've got a lot of space here and a lot of counter space here.
Yeah, this is a really good kitchen that gives you such a nice flow. What I love most about the kitchen is the actual layout. It's such a smart design. I've had events here in this home very recently, and as many as 40 people have been inside this home, and this being at the heart of the house gives everyone a cozy and comfy place to sit and enjoy, relax, and converse, and it just makes it for a great place to live.
Right, and then with the eating area right here and the living area right here, definitely a nice open floor plan for entertaining.
Yeah.
And a nice outdoor space. And Carly, I believe that the owner suite is, as we head towards the back here, we got to definitely check that out. But this is beautiful too, to have this raised ceiling here in the living room.
Yeah. Now I will also point out to you the 10-foot ceilings throughout is such a wonderful touch. And also 8-foot interior doors throughout. It makes the house feel so grand.
It really
Very
does. It gives
spacious.
it that real open feel, and the amount of windows and the light coming in is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, you'll notice our wide walkways as you flow from one area of the home through another.
Definitely,
Now
definitely.
you're here
And
in the owner's retreat.
wow.
It's a really great size. That's a king size bed, 2 really oversized nightstands, and a large dresser with the seating area.
Wow, there is a lot of room in here, and again, a lot of natural light.
Oh yeah.
So, and then we have to check out that owner's suite bathroom right here.
Oh, talk about luxury, Jen.
It is beautiful.
Look at that.
That shower is beautiful.
This is our classic super shower. We find that most buyers don't tend to use their bathtubs these days.
Right.
And so this is so much more appreciated, and it feels so luxurious. There's plenty of room to enjoy yourself while getting ready for the day and not have a cramped space to do it in.
Right, and again, those windows that are in the shower bring in all that natural light, which is so nice.
Yeah, that's
to
really
have.
valuable. It's the little things that we pay attention to here at David Weekley. We know what our buyers want to see, and we know how our buyers want to live,
Right.
and we're delivering.
And this is a nice size vanity.
Yeah.
So, which is nice because, you know, as a woman, you have a lot of products, right?
Yes,
So,
yes.
I know
Storage,
I overrun
yes.
mine all the time. So, but there's a lot of storage space here. And then that master closet.
Oh, the master closet is the talk of the town. When people come through this home, they fall in love with all of the nooks and spaces that you could utilize. I mean, David Weekley is so thoughtful in our design of our plans that we think ahead, and we want to give you space that you could use and that nothing is going to be wasted.
Yeah, there is a lot of nice space in this closet. So
Yeah, it just
you
keeps
could
going.
store your luggage back there. So that is a really awesome space. I'm
Yes.
jealous. I'm jealous of this closet.
Well, Jen, we can get you into a David Weekley
There
home
you
also,
go.
you know. I'm here, and we've got some beautiful homes available.
That's for sure. This is absolutely gorgeous. This floor plan is really nice, and the versatility of it is great.
Yes,
And
yes.
let's mention about Crosswinds, its location. So it is down on the south end of Crosswater Parkway, but the Pine Island Academy, which is a K through 8 school here in Nocatee, is a golf cart right away.
Oh my gosh.
There's a golf cart path that'll take you there. So
That
that's
is the
amazing.
highlight of this neighborhood. The fact that we're across the street from a K through 8 academy here in Nocatee is amazing. You know, if you have any children that are going to be going to school this coming school year and you want to change the game on their school district, let's do it. Now is the
Right.
time. I have some quick move-ins that are ready to go. You guys can come and see me and we can discuss what might be the right plan for you and your family.
That's awesome.
But proximity to things is amazing here. This is such a small community. It's very intimate with not a whole lot of homes that'll be built here, which is nice. We are off the beaten path of Nocatee, so if you want to feel like you're in a really beautiful, serene location and have peace and quiet and beauty surrounding you, I think Crosswinds is the perfect place for you and your family.
And still the convenience to be able to get to things, which is
Absolutely.
really nice. And just to mention that Settlers Pond is just a short bike ride away from here, and that's a catch and release fishing pond. And the greenway trails, not to mention that there are about 30 miles of trails here in Nocatee, those greenway trails wind around that. So great location to be in here.
Absolutely, and there's so many people that don't know about Nocatee, and it's unfortunate it's coming to an end soon. There's
Yeah, so you
not
have
a
to
whole lot
get
of
in
opportunities
now.
left.
Definitely have to get in now. So, and these are really nice sized bedrooms up here.
Yes, we've now entered the second floor.
And this one, Carling, does have a walk-in closet, which is amazing to have. And I do want to point this out to you, Carling, too. This is a linen closet, which you can never have enough storage.
Oh,
We
yes,
totally
very
love
true.
that.
Now, remember when I talked about that versatility that this floor
Yes.
plan offers? So downstairs on the main level, we saw the open study that could be a bedroom and full bath. Here is your other opportunity to pick up another bedroom. This, as you see, is the open retreat, which serves as an amazing playroom for kids, great family room for movie night, homework area if you wanted to do some built-ins like we've done here.
Right.
This is giving you the options and showing you the possibilities of how your family could live in this home. This space could also become that additional bedroom that
Oh,
you
wow.
may need. Now we're finding that people, have large families and lots of guests that come to visit. When they visit in Nocatee,
Right.
when you buy in Nocatee, you tend to get a lot of overnight stays from friends and family often.
Right.
So you may need that extra guest room. And so this home, as we mentioned, can be built with 3 and as many as 5 bedrooms
Wow.
and 3 full baths.
That's really nice. But I do love the way it's set up, and your designers have done a beautiful job. The way this space is set up right now is amazing.
It's very versatile for people to use as even a home office. If you have 2 of you that work from home, and you both need a private office or a home office, this is
Right.
a perfect place for
That's
it.
true.
And the main level as well, if you didn't need all the bedrooms.
Yes. Yeah, so true. It really is a great floor plan. So remind us of the name of this floor plan.
So this floor plan is called the Swindell.
And as we just saw today, it is 3 bedrooms.
Yes.
But it can be up to 5, which is so amazing.
Yeah.
And again, guys, this neighborhood is one of the last opportunities here in Nocatee. You definitely want to come out and see Tiki. Come
Yes.
see this beautiful home. Come visit Crosswinds and see where the school is and see where Settlers Pond is, and come to the Welcome Center and see us, and we'll help point you in the right direction. So
Yes.
thanks for joining us, everybody.
Thank
Have a
you.
great day.
I'm so glad you
Bye.
came. Have a beautiful day.
Bye.